வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி.
இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா ஜூலை மந்தோட பார்ட் 3 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போறோம். So இதுல first one பாருங்க, honey bee hives in which country faced second highest mortality rate ever recorded? So it was USA. Second one, which state inaugurated its first gas-based tea processing center? So it was Tripura. So which state launched Pudumai Pen scheme to provide monthly financial assistance for female students to complete UG program? So it was Tamil Nadu. Launched Muvalu Ramamritam, Amayar Higher Education Assurance Scheme, also known as Pudumai Pen scheme. And next, which is the first mutual fund to launch the country's first manufacturing index fund? So it was Navi Mutual Fund. So announced Navi Nifty India Manufacturing Index Fund. Tata Group has announced to merge with which airline with Air India? So Tata Group and Singapore Airlines announced that they agreed to merge Vistara with Air India. So next is, which organization released the Goods Trade Barometer report? So it was WTO, World Trade Organization. Which state has the highest number of girls who got married before attaining age 21? So it was West Bengal. 54.9% girls married at the age before 21. As per recent global study on snake bites, the number of deaths due to snake bite was highest in which country? So it was in India. Which state government has notified Kaveri South Wildlife Sanctuary? So it was Tamil Nadu. And last one, Bhupender Singh, who recently passed away, was a famous personality in which field? So was in the field of music.
மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 அப்படிங்கிற நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணலாம், அல்லது inspireacadamii@gmail.com மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ எங்கள் வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தது அப்படின்னா லைக் பண்ணி ப்ளஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ.